Get ready to revolutionize your conversations with the ultimate linguistic powerhouse. We're thrilled to announce the official release of ChatGPT's highly anticipated app. Unleash the power of cutting-edge AI technology at your fingertips and experience mind-blowing interactions like never before. Say hello to a new era of chat like you've never imagined. OpenAI has just unleashed an exciting new way to engage with ChatGPT, available exclusively for iPhones and iPads with an Android version on the horizon. The free ChatGPT app brings your conversations out of browser tabs and into a dedicated mobile experience. While it doesn't possess the chatty capabilities of Siri or Alexa, the app syncs seamlessly with your chat history, allowing you to input text for transcription and basic responses. It's important to note that the app doesn't grant access to the latest GPT-4 model, reserved for subscribers. However, the allure of a sleek, user-friendly interface combined with the power of an advanced chatbot is irresistible. So go ahead, download the app, and immerse yourself in the realm of AI-powered conversation. But before you do, consider a few key questions to make the most of this innovative release. How to download the ChatGPT app. The official ChatGPT app, adorned with OpenAI's elegant floral logo, is now available for free on the App Store. While searching for ChatGPT may yield numerous results, only the official app offers a direct connection to OpenAI's language models without any in-app purchases. However, other developers may offer chat apps powered by ChatGPT, but they typically require subscriptions or adopt free trial tactics. So make sure to grab the genuine ChatGPT app for an authentic AI-powered conversation experience, sans any hidden costs. ChatGPT listening features. Within the ChatGPT app, you can utilize the dictation button to speak your questions or prompts aloud. However, concerns about privacy arise, as we often question whether our phones are constantly listening. While there is little evidence to suggest that the ChatGPT app listens more attentively than other apps, it's worth noting that voice recordings for transcription require manual initiation and termination, ensuring only desired content is converted to text. The app's speech recognition feature necessitates an internet connection, implying that voice recordings are likely sent to a server for processing. Although this is not uncommon for older smart speakers, it may raise concerns for some users. Fortunately, newer iPhones offer an alternative by performing speech recognition on-device using iOS's built-in dictation feature, eliminating the need to send voice recordings elsewhere. Privacy. Despite the hype surrounding the ChatGPT app's release, its iPhone version doesn't offer a significantly different experience compared to using it in a web browser. Unless you're particularly interested in the speech-to-text feature, there aren't major advantages to using the app over the website. However, caution is advised. Although OpenAI has assured users that chatbot interactions are not used for profiling or advertising purposes, the company does retain the messages you send to train its language models. Therefore, it is crucial not to disclose sensitive or highly personal information while conversing with ChatGPT, as OpenAI explicitly warns users. Another aspect to consider is the app's data retention policy. If you prefer OpenAI not to store and utilize your chats for training language models, there is a manual option to disable chat history and model training. Once disabled, OpenAI will retain conversations for a maximum of 30 days before permanently deleting them. Initially, the ChatGPT app lacked the option to completely disable chat history and model training, which was unfortunate considering it was many users' first experience with ChatGPT. However, a recent update introduced the ability to turn off the feature. The only caveat is that users must ensure this option is disabled on all devices where they interact with ChatGPT. To disable the chat history and model training on iPhones, 1. Ensure you have the latest version of the ChatGPT app. 2. Open the app and tap the three-dot menu button in the top right corner. 3. Tap Settings, then select Data Controls. 4. Toggle the chat history and training option off. By following these steps, users can take control of their chat history and limit the storage of their conversations within the ChatGPT app. The ChatGPT app offers a convenient way to engage with OpenAI's language models on iPhones and iPads. While privacy considerations exist, With the ability to disable chat history and model training, users can enjoy AI-powered conversations while maintaining control over their data. The journey into the realm of AI is an exhilarating expedition that challenges the boundaries between human consciousness and artificial intelligence. As we push the limits of what is known and embrace the unknown, we uncover the transformative capabilities of AI, forging a future where its marvels are revealed in all their awe-inspiring glory. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey into the world of AI. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and together, let's ensure that the power of artificial intelligence remains in the hands of the people. Meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.